This is Daniel Daly. This is a Noahide sermon. What God is willing to do in relation to mankind's Noahide covenant. Okay. Now, for thousands of years, he did not maintain the Noahide community because he maintained Israel. And that's his official position. Yahweh El Shaddai maintains Israel. But he argues dangerous ideas that Israel should have some authority in the world. So when Israel teach a version of the Noahide covenant, which is false, he does maintain it a little bit for the sake of the rabbi's integrity, the seven law system. Now, he does maintain with mankind that if we care about the truth as human beings and agree to adhere to the covenant, the Rainbow Covenant, he will honor us. He won't really build the covenant community. No way, he sticks with Israel. But if we choose it, he will honor it. And generally he will provide for a seed in time. It's up to us. But if we adhere to it, he will honor it. And if we start building up legal prayer with him, as far as I understand, he'll gradually honor that. We have to take it seriously as mankind before God really gives much of a damn. He expects us to be a man about it, I suppose, and to be a person about it as a woman. Or you can be a woman about it, But, to be strong about it. Otherwise, dream on, I don't give a damn. He expects more of us by the looks of it, and he's not willing to maintain things with us much until we're sincere and real. But he will maintain the covenant with us in our own right, without Israel interfering. He's told me he will do that. And he's been looking to build the current Noahide religion, if possible, if someone will give a damn. And when I came in, he gave us a severe damn. He says, I do care a lot, actually. Just we have to as well. Now, for strictly biblical current Noahide faith, the Noahide Videos Bible Religion, in the religion playlist, a lot of the early videos are strictly Rainbow Torah terminology. Sometimes they deviate later on into other ideas, but those are moral ideas. But if you're looking for strictly Rainbow Torah ministry, there's a ton of videos which are Rainbow Torah ministry. If you're strictly biblical as a Karaite Noahide, there's a lot of stuff which I've got which is sermonology, which is very biblical sermonology. If you're interested in sermonology, okay. Now, he has given me a rainbow as a sign of a covenant, and I'm pretty sure he's officiating that the advancing nomen is a denomination within the covenant itself, of the Rainbow Covenant itself. These things are joined voluntarily, assemblies of faith and divine fellowships of the advancing movement, or Canberra Biblical Noahides. You take that, you sort of gravitate towards that if you want to. It's voluntarily joined. It's not obligation for mankind, for Noahide. It's not obligation. It's whether you get an inkling that might be for you. But like I said, God is willing to work with mankind of the Noahide covenant, but he's not really willing to build anything until we give a damn. But he also works historically. Once we've given a damn, there's possibly things he's starting to be prepared to do because of what we've done for him. That's how Israel gained it. We've kept the faith somewhat now. He's probably prepared to do some things now, I would assume. God works in history as well, as the Bible history also does.